guys, so we have new beautiful day in beautiful island Koh Samui in Thailand. Now we are in secret Buddha garden and you will have to pay entrance 80 baht for one person. We came to Waterfalls. You have to pay 20 baht for parking and we can see a little bit the waterfalls right there. So we are going to explore it, and on the way here it started to rain, so that's why we have this beautiful outfit. This one behind me is Waterfall number 1. Later on we will go to number 2 also. And you can go here also for elephant trekking, but please don't do it because they are beating them, so it's not good, you know, to support beating the animals, and you don't want to know what they are doing to elephants to teach them to carry the people, because they are wild animals and they are not supposed to do this. So please, if you are anywhere in Thailand or I don't know, Cambodia or whatever, please don't support this business because it's very bad. Why I said you shouldn't support this business, because they have like 5 square meters to move and they are here all the day, then you are riding on them, so I think they are not happy at all. People are here smiling, very happy they see elephant, but they don't see behind the scenes, you know, like look at them, they are really trapped in 5 square meters. We came to Waterfall number 2. We are going to explore it. It's looking very nice here. You have to pay again parking place for 20 baht for one motorcycle or what you will have. And of course, again, elephant trekking. Do you see what he have in the hands? This is what they are beating with. Look at this.